same 55. Okay, I want to make it FTP instead of FTPS, so it is on 55. Remember, it is on 55. Okay, so my adapter is up. Now this adapter is running on node 55 and the IP address of this host is 170. Okay, which is my failover node. Now I will go in SI, I will configure my failover for FTP. Now the failover is configured on the outbound nodes. Okay, now there is two ways to configure the outbound nodes. Okay, so the first one is, it's almost same actually. So here you can say SI2 alternate SI2. Just for our understanding, I'm writing it like this: 192.168.1.170, and my FTP server adapter was running 55. Done. Okay, now I have two outbound nodes defined in my outbound network. Okay, but this is my primary node. Okay, I will update this. I will click on edit, security, advanced. Here I will